All right, all right, all right. What's going on, guys? It's Captain K-Man 420 coming back at you. Friday, June 25th, over here in Phoenix, Arizona. So again, we are at this point less than 24 hours away from mentioned date of June 26th, Saturday, which is getting a little exciting. I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting excited. Tomorrow's going to be a big day. It's going to be a big day, guys. Now, tomorrow, June 26th, good old 45th, going to be kicking off rallies over here in good old AZ, our little azaudit.org situation, forensic scanning and all that crazy stuff is coming to an end. We're going to have to start writing an 8-week long report, give or take, by the way. Now, today's video, however, is focusing on Georgia. Georgia. So, all of a sudden, late in the evening last night, Thursday, late evening, I'm just messing around, what have you. I'm at my place of work. Just kind of whip out my phone. Jump into TGP. Boom! I'm like, what's this? I'm like running around. Breaking news! Oh crap, breaking news in Georgia. Judge Amaro rules in favor of Garland Favorito in Georgia. I'm like, oh, dude, that's like 9:30 at night, by the way, in Georgia. That's like 9 o'clock at night. All of a sudden, this judge is having his bedtime last cup of tea, and he's like, oh, hey, Garland. Yeah, you can go ahead and have those absentee ballets, and yeah, okay, all right, good night. What? Okay. All of a sudden, we got our huge win down south in the Peach State. Armero favors for Favorito, which we knew he would. We felt confident in regards to getting the absentee ballets, taking a look, blah, blah, blah. So, again, that happens late yesterday, Thursday evening. Now, like this morning. So this morning, Friday, there is, it's only like not even 2 minutes, a phone interview via DJT and Newsmax. Just a quick bleep, minute and a half. Now again, so it happened late last evening, right? Obviously. So here we are, following morning. Oh, Newsmax is talking to the 45th, and here comes DJT. Yeah, so we got great news down south in Georgia. Boom, talking about it. Boom, he called out rhinos in Michigan right now, right? So he called out the rhinos in Michigan. Praised Georgia. DJT praising Georgia for getting the ruling late last night. Now that locomotive is kicking off. In the same phone call, however, he said Michigan rhinos, McBroom and Shirky, once again praising the azaudit.org. Oh, he mentioned, real quick, here we go. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. DJT brought up that PA has been moving forward. So I'm not sure where Dave Argall is on his whole subpoena thing. So anybody, PA side of the house, let me know what's going on down below in the comments. Again, Let me know what you guys think about Georgia getting its ruling last night, guys. Give me that, smash that like button. Come on, hit that subscribe. All right, guys, Captain Caveman. All these naysayers out there, but like, Trump no matter what.